Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
You are a sight for sore headlights! I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac,
Let me know if anything comes up and you need my help.
I will. Take care, Polly.
No, salgan de la tienda. ¡Hey! ¡No comas la radial! Toma, te doy las de nieve.
Your license plate's gonna look real nice in my collection.
Not in my town, you don't.
you know, I asked my uncle once how I'd know when it was time to stop. You know what he said?
That Francesco is fine looking.
And those open wheels.
Terlalu cepat. Iya, James, terlalu cepat.
Aku kereta merah paling cepat.
Vader, let's go.
do it. These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic.
Ooh, Red, you missed a spot. See it right there? In the hood, right there.
What's that? There we go. Somebody's interrupting genius.
It's the nerve.
More talent in one lug nut than a lot of cars have got in their whole body.
Really?
Bet you're...
Bonita música.
I'm having a tornado in a trailer park.
Hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente y fuera. I really didn't have a choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye. Okay.
Miles. Go, 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 go. Go.
Man, now I got dirt in my wheel.
Steady, what's going on? Come on, snap some pictures. I gotta go sign my deal with Dynaco. Kachika, say it with me. Kachika.
What is he talking about?
It was you leaking oil at the party in Japan. You just blamed it on me.
He's probably losing his hearing.
He said you're old and
I heard him.
Where's Vader? Right? Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for me.
I will.
Hey, McQueen, you all right? Listen, don't you worry, pal. You had a good run. Enjoy your...
We're gonna be going now, okay? A little something to remember us by.
As fast as car is. Plus, no press, no trophy. Just racing. The way I like it. Francesco!
This is a sweet taste of my homemade organic fuel.
No, doesn't agree with my tank.
We're just...
Actually cared about that race car. A pity you didn't warn him in time.
¡Son tubos de escape!
Wait, 2,000.
We're back here.
Sorry.
All right, pick them off one at a time.